Yeah, it started dark in here. I turned off the lights because I like moth. But anyway, it's been a whole night and like half a day since Bubba's been litter box trained, and there's like no poop like anywhere, and I'm so proud of him. Like, it's harder for boys to understand. It's harder to litter box train boys because boys are, I don't know, it's just, it's harder. And like, it's like really, it's like really complicated for Gizmo. So yeah, but yeah, he's doing very well, and I'm so proud of him. He's actually learning. I didn't think he would ever would use it. Like, I didn't want to buy a litter box just because I didn't want him to like waste my money. And he's doing so good. Aren't you, baby? You're gonna run for me, aren't you? Aren't you? Aren't you, baby? Oh yeah, so he's probably not all the way litter box trained yet, but I'll be keeping you guys updated probably tomorrow, and I'll tell you guys that. So yeah, bye.